I gave you my heart.
Good morning, children. Now today I am going to start with English grammar. First chapter is the sentence. Already we have studied in the month of April and May the grammar. Now I am going to give you a short note about the sentence. First chapter is sentence, then noun, pronoun, and adjective. These four chapters are coming for in grammar. Now sentence, already I am going to explain what is a sentence and types of sentences. Now you have to learn the definition and the kinds and the exercises. I will give you the videos of all the exercises and you have to solve by seeing the videos in your book. And the rest of the sentences, like for example I will solve 5 sentences, and rest of the sentences you have to solve in your fair notebook. Now every exercise you have to do in your notebook of grammar, and this notebook will be of separate, like in other days we are making literature and grammar copies. The same way we have to make a grammar copy, and in it you have to do all the exercises, and the definition you will learn from the book. This will be easier for you to do. So please do all the exercises in your notebook, and already all the teachers have been informing you to keep your notebook complete, and we have to give you 5 marks on it. So children, be ready, be prepared for your recitation, for your spelling, for reading, and for checking your notebook. And I will inform you that what you have to do for this. Later on, as we have to give you the timetable of mock test. Mock test means the practice test we have to take, and the timetable of the PA1 portion along with the portion. Okay, so do best and start learning, children. Okay. Introduction to grammar. Sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes sense. For example, Ron is playing football. The sun rises in the east. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, Sam loves ice cream. Capital S. Full stop. The children are playing. The T capital and full stop. Read the given group of words. Two waters swim the. Second, this no print here. Third, so put it. Fourth, but he did not. These group of words do not make complete sense. They do not begin with a capital letter, nor do they end with a full stop. So these are not sentences. When we speak, we use sentence. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe it if you like it. Be safe and stay at home. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe it if you like it. Be safe and stay at home. Thank you.